Hi everyone, this is the 9th episode of CKES channel. At CKES, we provide solutions and quality products for your agricultural needs. In this episode, I'll talk about services that CKES provides. CKES has more than 30 years of experience in supplying goods for agricultural needs. Besides from the greenhouse, the other core business of CKES is our ability to handle turnkey projects for automated poultry abattoir. We are also well known for our strength in developing and producing spare parts as well as providing maintenance and services for feed mills, chemical and packaged industrial applications. We are indeed one of the top manufacturers in Thailand. CKES provides the best solutions for your machines, and we are confident that the quality and services of our products is up to our customers' satisfaction. Our satisfied customers include Charoen Pokpan, or better known as CP, of Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, and Bangladesh, as well as other well-known customers like Betagro, Ajinomoto, Be Lucky, Siam Park, Bosch, and others. Besides from just providing new parts, if a particular spare part can be refurbished, we have the expertise and technology to refurbish a particular part in order to extend the lifetime and does not cause any complications to the machine. If you are still using machines that spare parts have been obsolete, we are also able to remake them by using our latest CAD/CAM machine and 3D technology. All you have to do is to give us a sample of your parts and we can make a mold out of it. And if the mold fits well to the machine, then we can produce the real part according to the material that our customers require. Spare parts that we produce and supply a lot are the overhead conveyor chains, as shown in this picture, trolleys, and also shackle that is compatible to most automated slaughterhouse. We also supply other smaller wear and tear parts that needs to be replaced regularly in the meat processing plant, like the grinder, emulsifier, the cutter, deboner, and the smoker. All these are for the different areas in the meat processing plant. That's all about what I would like to share in episode 9. If you need further information, get in touch with us with ways available printed above and also below. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe as a gesture of support. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.